WhatsApp on iPhone may sometimes crash, freeze, or close unexpectedly, preventing users from accessing chats or sharing media. This guide explains the common causes of WhatsApp crashes and provides practical solutions to fix the issue and restore normal app performance. Part 1. Why does my WhatsApp keep crashing on my iPhone? WhatsApp may crash on an iPhone due to several reasons, including an outdated app version, insufficient storage, corrupted WhatsApp data, iOS system bugs, or network or server issues. Part 2. How to fix WhatsApp crashing on iPhone. If WhatsApp keeps crashing on your iPhone, you can try the following solutions one by one. Start with the simple fixes first, as they can often solve temporary app or system glitches. 2.1. Force close and reopen WhatsApp. Swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone screen to open the app switcher. Find WhatsApp from the list of recently used apps. Swipe up on WhatsApp to close it completely. Wait for a few seconds and reopen WhatsApp. 2.2. Restart or force restart iPhone. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and either volume button. Drag the power off slider when it appears. Wait a few seconds, then press and hold the side button to turn your iPhone back on. Force restart your iPhone. If your iPhone is frozen or cannot respond normally, quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. 2.3. Check WhatsApp server status and internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Restart your router. Check whether other apps can connect to the internet. Confirm whether WhatsApp services are available. If WhatsApp is experiencing a server-side issue, you may need to wait until the service is restored. 2.4. Update WhatsApp to the latest version. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to available updates. Find WhatsApp and tap Update. 2.5. Update iOS. Open Settings on your iPhone. Go to General. Tap Software Update. Download and install the latest available update. 2.6. Free up iPhone storage and manage WhatsApp storage. Check iPhone storage. Open Settings. Tap General. Select iPhone storage and remove unnecessary apps or large files. Manage WhatsApp storage. Open WhatsApp. Go to Settings. Tap Storage and Data. Select Manage Storage and delete unwanted large files or media. Note: freeing up WhatsApp storage can improve performance, but always review files before deleting and back up important data to avoid losing chats or media. 2.7. Disable WhatsApp iCloud sync temporarily. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap your Apple ID at the top. Select iCloud. Then find WhatsApp and turn off synchronization. 2.8. Reinstall WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and back up your chats if possible. Press and hold the WhatsApp icon on your iPhone. Tap Remove App and choose Delete App. Go to the App Store and reinstall WhatsApp. Sign in with your phone number and restore your backup. Part 3. Fix WhatsApp crashing caused by iOS system issues. WhatsApp crashes may be caused by iOS system errors, software conflicts, or failed updates rather than the app itself. iOS system recovery can help repair iPhone system issues and improve app stability without complex troubleshooting. Step 1. Install and launch iOS system recovery on your computer, then connect your iPhone using a USB cable. Step 2. Select iOS system recovery from the main interface and click Start to scan your device and identify iOS system issues that may affect WhatsApp performance. Step 3. Select Standard Mode to repair iOS system problems without removing your existing data, then click Confirm to continue. Step 4. Check your iPhone information, download the appropriate firmware package, and click Repair to start fixing the system issues. Step 5. Wait until the repair process is completed. Your iPhone will restart automatically. After that, open WhatsApp and check whether the crashing issue has been resolved. Part 4. Back up iPhone WhatsApp data before fixing the issue. Backing up WhatsApp data before reinstalling WhatsApp or fixing iOS issues helps prevent data loss. Coolmuster iPhone WhatsApp Recovery enables users to back up iPhone WhatsApp chats to a computer without iCloud and preview or select specific data before saving. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster iPhone WhatsApp Recovery on your computer. Launch the program and select Recover from iOS device. Then connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Step 2. After your device is detected, choose the WhatsApp data you want to back up and click Start Scan to scan your iPhone data. Step 3. Once the scanning process is complete, Preview the available WhatsApp files and select the conversations or attachments you want to save. Then, click Recover to Computer to export and back up your selected WhatsApp data to your computer.